pictures of an harpy eagle have been circulating widely on the internet and has confused the internet. Why? Well, the eagle looks less like a bird and more like a human being dressed in a costume. There are 3 images of the bird. In one, the bird can be sitting with a man. In the other, it can be seen perched on a tree branch. In the last one, there's a close-up of the bird. The thread mentions that this is a harpy eagle, and it is the largest of its kind in the world. Well, the internet is confused on whether it is a bird or human wearing a costume. Take a look and let us know what you think of this giant eagle. Are you also confused?